Hello and welcome. You will learn what is paid online writing jobs and how it works, what results you can expect after using it, and what about benefits. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video, but before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. Are you looking for a way to make some extras cash? Also, getting a well-paying job in these economic times is really hard, so any smart person will look for other ways to make money. Online writing seems to be the smartest way you can make money. Out here there are so many writing opportunities, and it is hard to tell which one is not a scam. That is where my job is. To help you figure out which opportunity is for you and will work best for you. Writing Jobs Online is an online avenue that is used by writers to explore writing opportunities on the internet. I have done an in-depth analysis of Writing Jobs Online to give you all the information you need to know about this program. In this review, you will see that the information that I am giving about this program is totally unbiased and is for your benefit. This review has the most honest opinions that are not solicited but rather researched about this program to help you. What is Writing Jobs Online by Glenn Anderson? This is a website that goes by the name writing-jobs.net that claims that with it you can make an insanely large amount of money. They say you can make money online by writing articles for various companies. You can start working as soon as you register with the program. The best part of the deal is that you don't have one fixed employer. You are free to work for various employers at the same time. You also have the privilege to work from the comfort of your home. The deal that is being offered by this program seems to be too good to be true. There is a claim that when you join the writing-jobs.net you will be earning $30 to $120 per hour. In real essence, you are being paid to be a freelance writer. We all know that any freelance writer is paid per every task that is done. This program, however, claims that you are paid a certain amount of money per every hour that you work. The cost of writing jobs online. You know you can easily earn money by writing for various companies as a freelancer, but in the case of Writing Jobs Online, you are required to pay $47 in order to register. That is an insanely high price. You are supposed to be getting paid, not paying someone so that you get paid. You can as well do a free random internet search and find yourself a writing job. When you purchase this program, you are given a 7-day free trial. This is not actually a free trial because you eventually pay for it. It is not right for someone to promise you free trial while in reality you pay for it. It is just a small trick to attract you to their program. You can easily tell that you are being duped because when you sign up it is compulsory that you input your credit card information. In addition to giving your information, you are required to pay $1 for the trial. What is the essence of saying it is free when you still have to pay $1 for the trial? Is the Writing Job Online by Glenn Anderson a scam? Of course it is a scam. When you log on to their website, you will notice how much they claim to be affiliated with some of the biggest writing corporations. It is obvious that such corporations deal with high-profile writers. So this program is trying to convince you that you will start working with corporations such as Fox, TMZ, CNN, and the New York Times. Every new writer has to have a standard beginning. You just don't jump into writing and get affiliated with such big companies. You need to establish your writing career and be well referenced so that you can at least get a shot at applying directly to these companies so that you can work for them. Claiming affiliation with big companies is a method that is used by scammers to convince you that they are a legitimate program. Just because they have plastered on their wall a bunch of logos from well-known companies doesn't mean they are legitimate. There are various websites that claim that they can make you earn tons of money working for them. What is questionable is the fact that they use similar wordings and strategies to target different crowds. If you take a look at Online Net Jobs website, you will notice that it is similar to Writing Jobs Online. From a glance, you may think it is a great opportunity and anyone may fall for it. You need to be smart and do a little digging before you put your money on it to avoid being ripped off. You might be looking for an opportunity to make money, but this is definitely an opportunity to get scammed. Way you can make money as a writer. It is a competitive world out there for writers. You can never know when you have landed an honest opportunity or you are a victim of yet another scam. It is hard writing for a company online because you might end up getting scammed. Making money through online writing is a great idea, you just have to land yourself a good deal. Many people are making a sustainable living by doing online jobs, and therefore you have a chance of making an honest living. There are two main options that you have through which you can make a living. When you own your own blog, you will be in a position to write about whatever you like, and this way you can write high-quality articles. The content that you write is yours, and it will be yours for years. You won't be answerable to anyone because you will be your own boss, and the chances of you getting scammed are so little. Become a freelancer. Freelancing is a legitimate program through which you can make a sustainable living. Programs like the writing jobs online are created to try and compete with freelancing while at the same time scamming unsuspecting clients. Such sites take advantage of the fact that there is a lot of stiff competition on freelancing. That's why they make such unrealistic promises. Pros. You can make a ton of money, approximately $30 to $120 per hour. They are affiliated with some of the largest writing corporations in the world, so it is an opportunity for the writer. They have a 7-day free trial for the clients. You can work from the comfort of your home. Cons. Their promises are unrealistic. It is not possible to earn tons of money per hour, no questions asked. Conclusion. If you are smart, do not buy the Writing Jobs online program. Yes, you may be desperately looking for an opportunity to make money online, but do not be desperate to the point that you become an easy target for such sites. This is definitely a scam, and any smart person will know better and walk away from such deals that are bound to reap them of their hard-earned cash. If you decide to go with it, click the link in the description to start right now. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let me know by leaving a comment below right now.